Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the installation of CompleteVPN. First, you need to download the CompleteVPN.zip file from the member area, and then you extract it. Here it goes. Okay, there is auth.txt files here with your username and password here. My username. Then after you put your password there, and then you need to complete the installation. Next, agree, and next till you finish it. Because I already installed it on my computer, I just cancel it. There is instruction here also if you want to see it. Then after that, go to this directory, which is go to the program files, and you go to OpenVPN, program files, OpenVPN, this config. What you need to do is just copy these files, not including the instruction and the installation file. This one. You also after you install the this file OpenVPN, this will appear on your desktop. Click on properties, check on compatibility for this one. Make sure it was using Windows XP Service Pack 3. Run it. Choose this one, and run this program as administrator. Click apply and OK. And then just connect to your VPN. Double click on it. As you can see here, connect to server 1. Here it goes. Okay, we check the IP address we are connected now. Now, as you can see, I'm browsing anonymously using the UK IP address, using my Maxis broadband. That's all. Thank you.